Okay, I have my GPX FSE300R 2022. We're going to take the connector here, unplug that. You're like, why is he doing this? Because I got a brand new fuel pump to go ahead and put into the bike. So then we're going to take the press the buttons, get the fuel filter off. Then you can rotate that. And then you can take that clip, press on both sides, work it off. Should be in there pretty good because there's rubber seals. We'll set that to the side. So here's the new fuel pump. This is it. That piece of metal. Bada boom, bada bing. That's how it came in the package. Set that to the side. Get an Allen. Take off those four. That connector's off, that's off for the fuel filter. So if I could read the size on this, I would tell you, but I'm not quite sure what size Allen. But you just pop it off, it's a smaller one. Comes right on off. There we go, pull it right on out. There we have it. And it's gonna drip fuel. It looks like we need this gasket still. This one has a little bit of cracking right there. I might go ahead and order one of these up. We'll put it on for now. Yeah, it looks like that's the rubber seal here. I don't know why they have a double gasket. Honestly, I don't, because having the rubber seal here should have been able to flush mount up there. I'll get another rag and we'll clean up around there. I got some of this plexus. It's like a polisher. Okay, these brass nuts can come out. Make sure they're in there, seated. There we go. I'll spray this off too because it's like a UV protector. It'd be good for the rubber. I cleaned this off with the plexus, this rubber gasket. I don't know why they have a double gasket. I might take a picture and just send them an email and ask them why, and why the new fuel pump doesn't come with that. And that's just to stop, stuff from getting inside during shipment. We'll need to transfer this over, clean that up, and then that connector pops right off. Kind of clean up the back side of that. So I'll go ahead and take that, plug it into there. Take this. We'll go ahead and put that on. And I want to say, notice this is really white. This one is really black, so it might just be clogged. There we go. That goes on like that, like that. I take my nice clean, I guess that's just to protect that somewhat. Take the Allen. Go ahead, start it. So the symptoms we were having was the fuel pump was just cutting off. Sometimes it would turn on, sometimes it wouldn't. So don't know. Maybe because it's clogged. I don't know what that would be. Electrical. It sounds more electrical to me, but Okay, we'll hope that's seated. Move this out of the way. We'll take our connector and we'll put that on there like that. We'll go ahead, line those up, bring it up in there and push it, and then find our other end of this guy, which ours is right there. We'll go ahead, put that up into there, and it's all back together. That's how quick it is to change a 2022 GPX Moto FSE300R fuel pump.